Hi, welcome to my channel. It's Donelle. This is the April Maniology Mani by Me subscription box. It is called Timeless Mod. It's kind of a throwback to that 1960s retro mod aesthetic, kind of muted colors, kind of groovy, kind of Jetsons vibe. This is one of the colors that came with the box, that kind of powder puff pink. So I put one coat on, and instead of doing kind of the muted colors as shown in the examples, I decided to go with a neon orange. I am then going to use a neon blue and a neon green, and then do some just black elements over it. And then I did an accent nail with just the one little tiny black cat on it. Yeah, very retro, very mod, very kind of Jetsons aesthetic here and there. So I'll just go ahead and let this play out, and I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Also, don't forget that you can go to Maniology.com and use my discount code Donelle10. That'll be listed in the description below, and you can get 10% off of your purchases, excluding subscription boxes. But this is a really great box. It's very affordable. Again, thanks for watching. Enjoy.